with the other animals. The camels don't sweat, or if they sweat, it is very less. The feet of the camel, they are padded and they are soft and they are comfortable. They do not sink in the sand. The long legs keep the camel off the hot sand. In hot weather, when the temperature of the body of the camel is increased, rest of the body has increased temperature, but the blood flowing to the brain maintains normal temperature. So these were a few facts which we mentioned, and there are even more and more facts in the camels. So this is a wonderful creation of Allah Almighty. As Allah Almighty says in the verse, أَفَلَا يَنْظُرُونَ إِلَى الْإِبِلِ كَيْفَ خُلِقَتْ. This means that really the camels are very wonderful, and the more you dig deep, the more you will get surprised, and the more facts you will find. And the camel with this wonderful grass body structure and wonderful appearance and wonderful characteristics and wonderful characteristics at the microscopic level, and the specialized cells, the conservation of water, the storage of fat. Camels with all these wonderful characteristics, they are not a result of haphazard and random phenomena of the universe. Rather, they are created by the intelligent designer. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.